You pick the number.
328, 3638.
1111.
Making sure I'm all that I can be.
8. Not in church.
324 1111. 328 1111. Oh. 324
328-9677. Hold on a minute. I got a new one for you.
Oh no. We're going into the book.
Hold the shot, Max.
Sure be nice if you.
Can you help us dig the well?
Alright, I got one more for you, Shane.
That was Daryl's house, by the way.
It's called Daryl's parents.
No, DUV 357.
Dude, no, listen first. Probably some one guy said, that is one fat, fucked up fact.
Oh, shit!
You probably called the cop shop, didn't you? Alright.
Not so good.
Alright, 8 and 7 now.
Let's see if he does it
Oh,
again.
display, buddy.
879 6686.
Daryl knows that number.
666
66.
6866. 8 sixes?
Nine.
Oh!
Oh!
Say
Listen
hello.
to it first. and then
Say
do it.
hello. Answer.
Hello? Mama Guevo? Jalapeno? Hey,
Pack of chicken ball
Eh,
for 99.
ese Paco? Say,
Más grande chorizo.
hey, Chico?
What the fuck did they say? Huh?
Or it rings again. 879. Just give me the phone, I'll fucking dial it. You just get ready with the fucking tutor.
You get ready with the tutor.
Oh, nice. Where the fuck did mine go?
Okay, get ready. Get ready.
Who the fuck was that, man?
I have a feeling it was Daryl's ex-girlfriend.
Is that who that was?
Yeah, that was definitely Dodge's ex-wife. Do it again.
That'll come up as a fucking this number.
Wait,
Shit.
wait.
She still has my fucking heater. I want it back.
What the fuck do you think I'm doing?
You're like recording.
308. 308.
0853.
No. No, that's me, you dumbass.
That is your number.
No, 308.
Shit had me dial that the other day.
You know who.
No, I don't.
Justin
the only
fucking
one with
just
308
kill him
is
when
you
he
that I know.
Mother is Calvin, quick.
0853, it'd ring right the fuck.
Yeah.
Well, it is?
Yeah.
I thought you had a host phone.
Fuck,
I do. Sometimes it's in my house.
I become good with